Hello everyone. Welcome to Mr. Octopus YouTube channel. Let's practice simple English together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. What's your name?
My name is John.
What's your full name?
My full name is John Smith.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Which city are you from?
I'm from New York.
Where do you live now?
I live in New York now.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
What do you study?
I study English.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English to speak with confidence.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I do.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Sam.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading and listening to music.
What do you do in your free time?
I practice English.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite kind of movie?
I like comedy movies.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
Do you work or study every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I do.
How do you practice English?
I watch videos and speak.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I do.
Do you speak English at home?
Yes, sometimes.
Is English difficult for you?
No, I'm learning step by step.
Are you confident in English?
I'm becoming more confident.
What's your goal?
My goal is to speak fluent English.
Why is English important to you?
English helps me in my daily life.
Nice work. Remember, practice is more important than grammar. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Mr. Octopus, like the video, and share it with others to help more people learn English. Keep practicing every day. I'll see you in the next video.